Today is Thursday, August 20th, 2026. A friend of mine on the mainland was telling me that their leaves on their maple tree have completely fallen off. Now, this is Trish in Westville, and she was saying she's raking them up. So I went out to check our maple tree, because Dale was telling me that she's noticing the same thing. Like, we got dead leaves. And if you notice, yeah, we do. Like, this is Cape Breton. We're known for Celtic colours, and our maples turning beautiful, beautiful colours. And by the way, Celtic colours comes in October. This is August 20th, and our leaves on our maple tree are starting to shrivel up. And it's not, don't tell me it's because of the heat. If you notice, it's been raining. Like, we've had rain quite a bit, which we're grateful. Anyway, anyone else noticing this?